Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to replace the alternator on a 2012 Kia Sorento. First, disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. Wear gloves and eye protection and release hood latch. Remove the engine cover if present, then loosen the serpentine belt tensioner and slip the belt off. Label and disconnect electrical connectors from the alternator, then unbolt the alternator and lift it out carefully for replacement. Gather your tools and parts before you begin to avoid interruptions. A socket set, breaker bar, serpentine belt tool, and torque wrench will cover most fasteners. Confirm the replacement alternator matches your vehicle's engine and mounting points. Keep dielectric grease handy for electrical connectors and a clean rag for oil or grime. Working methodically saves time and reduces the risk of dropped bolts or damaged wiring during reinstallation. With the battery disconnected, relieve tension on the serpentine belt and slip it off the alternator pulley. Unbolt the alternator mounting bolts while supporting the unit with one hand and disconnect the electrical harness and main output cable. Swap in the new alternator, align it, and tighten mounting bolts to specified torque. Reconnect wiring with dielectric grease, reinstall the belt with correct tension, reconnect the battery, and start the engine to verify charging.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.